The richly illustrated book, Mythology of the Peoples of the Volga region, is unique in that it presents the best examples of folklore of the peoples living in the Volga region. The publication consists of 7 chapters devoted to the mythology of different peoples living in the Volga region of Russia: Mordvins, Mari, Udmurs, Chuvash, Tatars, Bashkirs, and Russians. In each chapter, a small scientific reference and the folk legend of myth are given. Thus, the book becomes a successful symbiosis of scientific, cognitive, and literary artistic material. On the pages of this publication, we see some parallels in the mythology of the peoples of the Volga region, which confirms their historical unity despite modern ethnic and religious differences. What is the difference between Udmur Vumurt and Vodinaya, Mari Shiga, and Tatar Shurale, which are the brightest mythological characters in the Volga region? You can find answers to these questions and at the same time learn about the best examples of myths and legends of the peoples of this region.